You hear guitarists say things like thick, crunchy, warm, bright, dirty, squash, clean, and you have no idea how to actually get those sounds. So you try new pedals, new amps, new guitars. But here's the truth. The problem isn't what you're using. It's not knowing how the whole system works. In Find Your Tone, you'll learn how to build your signature guitar sound from the ground up. You'll start with your hands, pick choice, dynamics, vibrato, guitars, Les Pauls, Strats, Tellys, pickups, humbuckers, P90s, single coils, amps, American versus British, clean headroom, breakup, EQ, gain stages. You'll learn how each affects your sound, and then we'll add pedals. I'll show you how each pedal affects your signal and how to stack them without getting muddy. EQ is your secret weapon. It's how you make space, add clarity, and make your parts stand out without turning up. From here, I'll help you get gig ready. You'll learn how to build a reliable live rig and how to craft your tone for any show, whether it's in your bedroom or on a loud stage. By the end of the course, you'll have your tone. Not mine, yours. Click the link to check out the full course, and I'll see you inside the class.